Oh, you guys, I have finished my quilt top, my orange peel quilt top. As you can see, I've put my border, I changed the border up. I had this sunflower stripe because I wanted the yellow to match the yellow border there. So I put that sunflower fabric stripe with the gray. I like that. I think that's real pretty. So now, what do I do with it? This is a fairly decent sized quilt. It's 86 inches across and 98 inches down. Yeah, it's a fairly decent sized quilt. So, I got to get the backing for it. I have tons of fabric. I may do a pieced backing. I quite like using odd fat quarters, or a fat quarter bundle that I have in my stash. Just a bunch of fat quarters makes it a really interesting use up fabric that you have, or yardage. I need quite a bit of yardage for this one, but I think that's pretty. Using fat quarters makes it completely reversible. It's big. Now, I don't know whether I have the energy to, at this moment in time, to quilt it. I guess I do. I got my new sewing machine. But I will be quilting, if I do it, I'll secure in the ditch all the rows, and then I would do something in each orange peel. Maybe just a decorative free motion quilted something in there. But, yeah, I think it's real pretty. Or I might send it out. But it would be expensive to have this quilted. I like Quilting by David, but I don't know how much this would cost. Several $100s, which I don't know. But right now I just don't fancy quilting it. I don't have the energy or the strength right now after my COVID. But I just wanted to show you the quilt top. It's so pretty. Yeah, I like that. It's just a bunch of orange peels, 5-inch orange peels on a 6.5-inch background, and then the white to sort of calm the scrappiness down, and then the border that I put there. So I hope you like it, guys. Any suggestions how I should quilt it? All right, see you later. Bye.